Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Hemingway editor for LinkedIn Clarity, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official Hemingway editor website. Once the page loads, look for the option to download the application. Click on the download button to start the download process. After the download completes, locate the downloaded file in your computer's downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the installation. You may need to agree to the software's terms and conditions before proceeding. Once the installation is complete, the Hemingway editor icon will appear on your desktop or in your applications folder. Open the Hemingway editor by double-clicking its icon. Now that the application is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You will see a blank page where you can start typing or paste your text. To integrate Hemingway editor with LinkedIn, first, open your LinkedIn profile in a separate browser tab. Compose your message or post in LinkedIn's text box. Next, return to the Hemingway editor and paste your LinkedIn text into the editor. The Hemingway editor will highlight any areas that may need improvement. Pay attention to suggestions for simplifying complex sentences or eliminating passive voice. Edit your text in Hemingway, focusing on clarity and brevity. Once satisfied with your revisions, copy the improved text from Hemingway. Finally, return to LinkedIn and paste the polished text into your post or message. Review your LinkedIn content one last time to ensure everything looks good. Now you're ready to share your message with clarity and confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.